How to fix Roblox error code 773. So I'm going to show you a few methods. So the first one is simply going to roblox.com, clicking on your cogwheel right here in the top right corner and going to settings. So from here, we have to change some things. So the first thing that I suggest doing is going to the privacy tab and making sure this is disabled. So account restrictions are disabled. So make sure this is not turned on. So that was the first method. The second method is going to your security tab, scrolling all the way down until you see this option, log out of all other sessions, and you want to click on it and you want to select log out. But make sure you know your login credentials so you're not locked out of your account. So that was the second method. If that doesn't work either, then what I suggest doing is reinstalling Roblox altogether. So how this works, you go to your computer search, go to add or remove programs. Here we want to search for Roblox and basically uninstall all instances of Roblox. Right click or left click on it, and then you want to select uninstall. And then if you want to reinstall it, basically you have to click on any game, and then you just gotta click on the play button and it will detect that you don't have Roblox and it will install it for you. So those are 3 methods of how you can fix this error. Hope either of those work, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like and sub. Bye.